Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? It's a rainy Sunday morning and today I'm going to share with you a lot of benefits of rainwater for plants. Nutrients and minerals from the rainwater helps the plant grow faster. Rainwater provides nitrogen, which makes the leaves greener and healthier. I'm going to move this in the middle so they'll get enough rainwater. Looks like it's gonna rain. Still gonna rain later. I'm going to take out all my indoor plants as well. Rainwater contains more oxygen that helps plants grow full and lush. Especially in potted plants like this, the salt and chemicals build in the soil are eventually harmful to plants. But rainwater can help flush these chemicals away and refresh the health of the soils. So next time it starts pouring, make sure to bring your indoor plants outside and make sure you have your rain barrel ready to store rainwater. I'm sure your plants will thank you, not just for the benefit they get, but because conserving water is helpful to our environment.